Hello, farmers. This is your host, Dr. Joseph Dejifulutile, World Farmers Center, Success in Farming TV. Today, I'll be discussing with you the third episode of 7 strong marketing lessons for every farmer. 7 strong marketing lessons for every farmer. Part 3. Never be too dependent on middlemen for the sales of your farm products. Never be too dependent on middlemen for the sales of your farm products. As a matter of fact, consciously thin them out from time to time and find ways to sell directly to the consumers. It has to be on a conscious basis, consciously thin them out from time to time. It may not be possible for you to eliminate them completely, but you should be consciously programming your business to thin them out and find ways to go direct to the consumers from time to time. It should be consciously done. This will help you not only to enlarge your profit margin, but it will also help you to stay in business, because when you have a contact with those who are actually consuming your products, the more of them you know, the more you can stay in business. The more of them you know. But when you don't know the people that are consuming the products and you're only dealing with the middlemen all the time, they can hold you to ransom. You cannot eliminate them, but you can consciously thin them out from time to time. You can say, okay, every month I want to make sure at least, I gain at least 1%, 2% closer to my end users, increasing the percentage on conscious basis every day. That is the way out in your farming business. So let me take it again. Never be too dependent on middlemen for the purchase of your farm products. Thin the middlemen out consciously from time to time and find ways to keep on reaching out to the direct end users, because that is where the future of your business is. The more of the consumers you're able to deal with, the more you can expand your profit margin, the more you can stay longer in business, because as you are producing and they are consuming, this food, it means they can come back again and again. But if you don't have direct connection to the end users or the consumers of your products, and you only deal with middlemen, maybe your business is about 100% middlemen, it's very dangerous. In the times of glut, in the times when the products are not moving, you will be held to ransom, and you might be forced to be selling to them at ridiculous prices. That is why many farmers packed out of farming business, because when there's product glut, they don't know how to get to the end users. The middlemen hold them to ransom, and then they find out that they cannot sustain the business. Once again, my name is Dr. Joseph Dejifulutile, World Farmers Center, Success in Farming TV. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to keep getting more and more quality advice from this channel. Thank you.